Everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is to transform direct materials into complete jobs. Direct labor is added to and manufacturing's overhead cost is applied to by multiplying the predetermines overheat rate the by actual quantity of the allocations based consumed by each jobs. Correct answer of the question is work in process. So that the answer of the question, if you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section if you have any question to ask there, and our sessions on the right side of the website fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.